Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah has narrated an episode in the life of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, when the slanders calumniated her and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu exonerated her from the calumny. Each of them has narrated some part of the hadith. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon sent down 10 verses of chapter The Light, and each of them exonerated me from calumny. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, who would grant Mistah wealth for kinship, said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will expend nothing on Mistah for his slandering Aisha. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon revealed, and swear not those among you who are men of excellence and of means against giving to the kinsmen. Surah Al-Nur, verse 22. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, why not? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I only wish that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may pardon me. So he resumed to expend on Mistah as he formerly would do, and said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, now I will never terminate it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6679.